Do you have any magazines? Do you have any magazines? What's your seat number? What's your seat number? I think you are sitting in my seat. I think you are sitting in my seat. My boarding pass says 11A. My boarding pass says 11A. Could you help me get my bag down? Could you help me get my bag down? Down this aisle to your right. Down this aisle to your right. How do I fill out this form? How do I fill out this form? Can I have it later? Can I have it later? Do you have a vegetarian meal? Do you have a vegetarian meal? Is it okay to change seats? Is it okay to change seats? Good job! Please take a look down below for all 10 phrases. If you are on your phone, please click the title of the video to open up the description box. Thank you so much for watching. To listen to the recordings again, click the I on top. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Listening to the sentences repeatedly is a very effective learning strategy, and you'll find yourself really improving. Thank you again, and please be sure to subscribe to this channel.